Hey guys, welcome to Lee's Slot Cars. I'm back in the slot shed for a very exciting video. Well, it's very exciting for me. I don't know about you guys, it might not be quite as exciting. Today I received a parcel and it contains something rather special. Now this parcel was sent to me by Marcus, who's in marketing with Scalextric. And I am so grateful, Marcus, for you sending me these. It's absolutely amazing. I cannot wait to get this box open and have a little look at what's inside. So, hey, let's not mess about. Let's get that box open, shall we? Right, this is very exciting. Let's see what's in the box, shall we? I've had to rig a very temporary device to hold my phone so I can face down what I'm doing, and it's very precarious. I'm scared I'm going to bang my head on it, knock it flying, and it'll all go to pot. So here we go. What have we got in the box? Throw the box away, throw that away, because there's a bit of a spoiler alert if you can read it on there. Well, you can see now there's two cars. There's nothing better than getting a new car. I haven't had a new car for such a long time. So this is going to be a special moment, which actually caps off an amazing day, which I'll elaborate on. Okay, can you tell what it is yet? That was a really bad Australian accent. Sorry guys, for you viewers from Australia. That was awful. It's the first and last time I will ever do that. Oh, for the love of God, I cannot get into this. I'm in a frenzy, I can't get into it. Okay, numero uno. We have, look at that. Look at that beauty. The Ford Anglia. And I'll tell you why this is so special. This car really resonates with me. When I was a little kid, my mum had one, and it wasn't a souped up version like this, but my mum had a Ford Anglia, and it was one of the light blue ones, which a bit like the Harry Potter one. And the first memory I have of being a child in a car was in a Ford Anglia. Unfortunately, it broke down on the A1 going down to visit me nan, and we never saw it again. But there you go. It's I'm sure it had a good and wholesome life. And secondly, I'm so crap at getting into this. Yeah, I need to be calmer. I'm in a bit of an unwrapping frenzy. I'm like a 5-year-old at Christmas, getting your Christmas presents. But there you go, here we go. And secondly, it is none other than, look at that. I love that. Volkswagen Golf Mark 1 GTI. Now this car resonates because when I passed my driving test, second time round, I always wanted a Mark 1 Golf GTI. I could never have one, naturally, because I was skint, as always, and ended up with a Vauxhall Chevette, which cost me a fortune. Anyway, that's one for another day. So these are the two cars that have been kindly sent to me by Scalextric. Now, what I'm going to do is a proper review on each one. Now, this won't be a technical review. You know, some of you guys do cracking car reviews where you take them apart and you look at them. I'm not great at that stuff, I've got to be honest. We have our strengths and weaknesses. Mine is building stuff and doing it, and I love the cars as I love them as models and almost as playthings. You know, I don't race, it's just me in here messing about in the slot shed, but I love them. I love the look of them, I love the feel of them. So I'm going to do a review on each one where I do it as a not as a racer, but just an enthusiast, you know, and I'm going to run it around the track and let you know what I think. So let's have a closer look at each one. And there it is. I'm sorry, we got a bit of reflection on the lighting, so it's not great. I'll have to do something about that. But it's absolutely stunning. These are two brilliant releases from Scalextric, I have to say. I've been after a decent Golf GTI for ages, and the new Ford Anglia coming on is just so special. I cannot wait to get these out and have a bit of a play, which I'm going to do in a bit. In fact, I'm going to do now as soon as I switch this off. So there you go. That was the unboxing of two cars kindly sent to me by Marcus at Scalextric. Marcus, if you watch this, thank you so much, buddy. I really appreciate this more than you will ever know. So I'm going to do a review upcoming on both of these cars. But in the meantime, thanks for watching, guys. You all take care, my friends. Bye-bye now.